Can you imagine a creativity method so powerful that management trainer Vera F. Birkenbihl called it one of the most underrated brain hacks of all time? It is a medieval technique that can unlock hundreds of ideas in minutes just by combining things you already know in a new way. And today we are diving into Lull's ladder, an 800-year-old creativity tool based on the thinker Raimundus Lullus and further developed in the Birkenbill method. It builds on the ABC list but pushes your brain one step further by forcing new combinations and new associations. So, whether you are stuck on a problem, planning a lesson or workshop, or need fresh ideas for project products or content, Lowe's Ladder can help you break out of your usual thinking tracks.
Lull's ladder is a creativity technique that works with two parallel ABC lists. You create one ABC list on the left and one ABC list on the right. Then you systematically connect terms from the left list with terms from the right list. You can imagine two ladders standing side by side. Each rung is a word in one list, and you climb mentally back and forth between the ladders to create new, sometimes surprising combinations. The goal is simple: combine things that normally do not meet and see what ideas appear. This systematic combination is what makes Lull's ladder so powerful and so different from normal brainstorming. You only need paper and a pen. Here is the basic procedure. Step 1. Decide what your two lists will represent. For example, List A on the left, problems, questions or topics. List B on the right, tools, resources or perspectives. In a teaching context, this could be List A, learning challenges. List B, brain-friendly tools. In a business context, it could be List A, customer problems. List B, possible features or channels. Pick two dimensions that feel useful for your question. Step 2. Now create two ABC lists, one for each dimension. On the left sheet, write your topic at the top, then list terms from A to Z. On the right sheet, do the same. You do not need to fill all 26 letters. The point is speed and variety, not perfection. Step 3. Now comes the actual Lull's ladder. Build the ladder of combinations. You take one term from the left list and combine it with terms from the right list. You can go row by row, A with A, B with B, etc., or pick interesting pairings across the lists. For each pairing, you ask, what idea appears if I connect these two? And you write down any idea that appears, even if it seems strange at first. Step 4. Capture and select ideas. After a few minutes, you will have a lot of small idea sparks. Now circle the most interesting combinations and write them out as clear idea statements. You can later sort, cluster, or prioritize these ideas. First generate, then select. Let's walk through a simple example. List A on the left, learning challenges. Anxiety before tests. Bored in class. Forget after a few days. Then on the left, list B, brain-friendly tools. ABC list. Kawa, Kaga. Memo flip. Now we combine the lists. Anxiety before tests plus memo flip. Idea. Create a small memo flip to review key terms before each test in 5 minutes. Or combine bored in class plus quiz. Idea. Use a knowledge quiz game to repeat content in a playful way. Forget after a few days plus ABC list. Idea. Make an ABC list after each lesson as a fast recap. Then reuse it later as a prompt. Some combinations will be obvious, some will be weird, and some will be exactly the fresh angle you were missing. That is Lull's ladder at work. Lull's ladder is useful whenever you need many different ideas, not just one answer. For example, designing a new workshop or lesson series, finding new ways to explain a concept, brainstorming products, services or content ideas, planning learning tools for a school year, exploring different solutions to a complex problem. You can use it alone, on paper, or in a group, with sticky notes on a wall or whiteboard. Give yourself a clear time box, like 10 or 15 minutes, and let the technique do the work. How is Lull's ladder different from ABC List and ABC Creative? If you already know the Birkenbihl tools, here is how they fit together. ABC List. One list of associations around a topic. Great for warming up, activating prior knowledge, and collecting terms. ABC Creative. Uses an ABC list plus extra thinking prompts to generate ideas around one specific question. More targeted creativity. Lull's ladder. Uses two parallel ABC lists and combines them systematically. More generative creativity. Perfect when you want a broad field of ideas and surprising connections. You can use them together. Start with two ABC lists, use Lull's ladder to create many rough ideas, then pick one idea and use ABC Creative to deepen and refine it.
Lull's ladder is a simple way to push your brain out of its usual paths. By working with two ABC lists and systematically connecting their terms, you create new associations, new solutions, and new creative options. Next time you are stuck on a problem, or you have to plan something new, try making two lists and see what emerges. Lull's ladder fits perfectly into the Birkenbihl toolbox, with ABC lists, Kawa or Kaga, memo flip, and radial structures. If you want step-by-step training in these tools, with real exercises on your own topics, my coming soon mini course, From Words to Visual Memory, ABC List, Analog Graffiti and Clustering, is designed exactly for that. Next, I recommend you watch ABC Lists, Unlock Your Brain's Potential, and ABC Creative, Turn one question into dozens of ideas.